Hi everybody, Hey Jon, jabbering opportunities nonstop. Of course, today I have some pretty good news here. Hopefully you guys will see it too. Let's see what is going on today. Hopefully YouTube is now sharing the notifications. But lately YouTube has been, not notifying, so I don't know. A little bizarre lately. Little bizarro. Let's see if YouTube can get their act back together though. Hopefully they can. Hopefully they can. Okay. How's everyone doing today? Okay. Where is the live chat here? It's weird. Why is it so quiet today? Oh, here we go. Wow, YouTube is acting up today. I couldn't see the chat for like a few minutes there. Bizarro, man. YouTube, man. YouTube needs to get their act together. By the way, did you guys get the notification? I'm not sure what's going on. Yeah, it's weird. I didn't see any chat here for a while. Oh yeah? Jadza, I'm not too sure. I think, I don't know, man. Usually most folks get that notification and they get that membership too. I'm not sure what's going on at Jadza. Maybe reach out to YouTube, because I don't have any control over that. That's a YouTube thing, you know? I don't really control that stuff, unfortunately. I wish I did though. And I wish I could help you out. Okay. We need a Doge tube. Oh, you did? Okay. Okay, seems like you guys are getting notified now. Okay, very good. Because for the past few days, I don't know, people are saying they weren't getting notified, so I'm not too sure, you know? Wait, what? Voyager, I think they left counts our money. What do you mean? What do you mean by Voyager? I don't understand. Wait, Voyager's doing what? I'm not sure. What do you mean Voyager left town with our money here? Can someone explain to me what you're referring to? I'm not okay, great. Okay. So you ladies and gentlemen are getting the notification. Okay. It's been done all day. What's been, wait, what? It's been offline for 6 hours. Oh, you mean, okay. Oh, ticker is stuck. Okay, let me wake up the ticker then. Sorry guys. Let's see, is the ticker awake now? Okay, all right. The ticker looks awake now. You can't access any on Voyager. Really? Wow. Okay, I'm not sure because I haven't been looking at Voyager for the past day or two, so I don't know. Yeah, man, that's a good question, dude. Very good question here. I don't see why Voyager is doing that, but I suspect the reason why Voyager, well, you know what? The only reason I can think of as to why Voyager is not being accessible is, in my opinion, maybe too many people are selling, you know? And if too many people are selling, that means, hey, you know what? They may not have enough money in the bank to cover it. But of course, that is pure speculation, you know what I'm saying? So there's no proof of that. Green froze? No. Let's see here. Well, okay, great. I'm glad you guys are getting the notification again, because for the past few days, folks were saying, hey, you know what? We aren't getting notifications. I was like, okay, I don't know. I mean, I wish I knew the reason why, but it, you know, YouTube doing YouTube things. You know, I you know, don't have control of that stuff. iPhone Voyager had to work for a few hours. You know what? Let me log in real quick and try as well, okay? Let's see. Huh? What in the world is going on, man? Why is that? Oh my god, Twitter. What are you doing, buddy? Okay, give me a second here. Okay. Uh-huh. Okay. Oh my god. These technology nowadays is being a pain in the you know what, man, you know? Being a pain in the you know what. Fun days, fun days. Alright, let's what? Why did it do that? I don't get it. I tweeted out and then it takes me back. What in the world is going on? Oh, okay, it works. Okay. Let's see, what is Elon Musk saying though? You guys are saying Elon Musk is tweeted here, right? Let me see what Elon Musk tweeted here. Let me see. Anything new? Okay, no, I saw it already. The whole Elon Musk and Doge thing, yeah. Definitely saw it already. Oh yeah, oh yeah. Okay, let me try Voyager on let's see here. Let me go ahead and see here and try Voyager. Give me a quick second, guys, okay? Give me a quick second. Let me try Voyager to see if I log in to see what's going on, because I haven't tried for the past day or two, so I couldn't tell you, but let me verify real quick and see what's going down, you know? So give me a quick moment, please. And, you know, I will let you guys know. Okay. Logging in, apparently. And I have an iPhone, so far it's working. I can log in so far. Let's see if I can do anything else, though. I don't know. The counter frozen? I don't think so. Is it? I have no idea. No? The counter looks fine to me. I don't think it's frozen. I don't think it's frozen. It should be good. Alright, continue. Oh, wow. Server trust evaluate. Wait, what? Oh, really? Huh. I just tried Voyager right now, and it's saying something with server trust evaluation, something. I don't know what's going on. It's saying I can't log in, apparently. Okay, that's a no bueno thing right there. It's yeah, man. Dogecoin. I mean, Voyager is definitely no bueno right now. Yeah, I don't know. I tried it. It's kind of bizarre, so I don't know. I tried right now. Voyager, it doesn't work, so I couldn't tell you guys. I have no idea, but it doesn't work right now. What is the best trading platform I use? I use a multitude of platforms, you know. I use WEBULL, Robinhood, Voyager, and Crypto.com. Currently I like Crypto.com a lot. They're very cool because with Crypto.com you can stake your coins and make interest. So I think it's pretty cool in my opinion here. I personally like it a lot. I mean, the only thing I don't like about Crypto.com is that you cannot do limit buys, limit sells. You have to, it's pretty much, you know, buy at the market price, which is, I guess, okay for investing and everything, but I wouldn't say it's very good for trading though. But for investing, it's fine though, you know. So I mean, overall, it's pretty cool though, because the main thing I like about it is that you can stake your coins. So that's pretty cool. If anyone wants to try, Pro, right here in a chat or in my link down below in the description. Okay. So let's go into the charts now and see what's going on. Again, one more time, I tried Voyager, it didn't work. So I don't know what's going on with that. I couldn't tell you. So the Dogecoin today is looking pretty phenomenal, right? I made a video earlier today. I'm not sure if anyone here watched it, but if you watched it, then you should have a pretty good idea of what I'm referring to. So let's see here. I don't know. Lots of Robinhood, lots of Robinhood haters, but for me personally speaking, I like it a lot. So I don't have a problem with it per se. Let's see here. Okay, so let me go into the text now to show you guys what is going on here. All right, so we can see here on April 23rd, 2021, right? It was right here, and we saw a nice consolidation right here. We had a flash crash, and then we started bouncing up here, right? It bounced up for about 4 whole days here, right? And guess what? Now we're seeing a flash crash, and now we are about 4 days into the current trade now. Well, my 4th day would be tomorrow. So this means that this could be a good thing, because as they say, you know, history doesn't repeat itself, but history sure rhymes though. In this case, it could possibly rhyme. Of course, there are no guarantees. Of course, everything I'm telling you here is all data driven here. No hocus pocus, no news, no, there's all data driven here. So using the history as a past indicator tells me this could potentially happen. So again, we saw the previous all-time high here, right? On April 16, 2021. The all-time high was at 47 cents right here, right? And then we broke down, but it took about 6 whole days to break down. Wait, what? Griffin Painting and Home Improvement LLC. Someone made a fake Hey Jon channel. Wait, someone made a fake Hey Jon channel. They replied to a comment I made on your wait, what? They replied to a comment I made on your earlier video. I reported them. Okay, yeah, man. Yes, there are definitely scammers out there, you know. I do reply to the comments as well, but you will know it's me though. If you click the name, you will see like 20K plus or 21K subscribers. So obviously a little different, but you know, anywho. So yes, so 6 days before we broke down here, right? So obviously this time is different here because yes, we peaked on May 8th, 2021, and now we are about into this right here, right? Let's see. It took 11 days to break down. So it took 12 days essentially to break down. But the previous one took only the previous one took only 6 days, right? So now we're seeing about double the time frame to break down here. So potentially we could even, you know, maybe devil's advocate here, right? It could take us maybe instead of 4 days and then see a price appreciation, maybe this time could take 8 days and then we can see a move up here. But however though, even though I'm seeing tons of flash crashing here, the one thing that I'm saying is very, very bullish here is because the money flow indicator is showing money inflowing into Dogecoin. So yes, even though we are flash crashing here, this confirms my initial knee-jerk reaction when I told everyone for the past few days, this is whales or the market makers here hunting, okay? Hunting your stop losses and triggering it, and therefore thus creating a flash crash. So even though we're seeing a flash crash here, right, we are still seeing money inflow into Dogecoin. So this is telling me people are buying up Dogecoin even though it's flash crashing down here. All right. Now I see the money flowing. Now I see the money flow coming out while we flash crash. This is more okay. This is more indicative of a further continuation of a crash here. So to me, this seems like fake news, okay? Because traditionally speaking here, when you come down here, usually money outflows. When money outflows, that means the whales or the market makers are selling here. Okay, so this tells me they're just triggering the retail, because retail has weak hands, and as you know, cryptocurrency is the wild west. And the most important thing here, most folks in cryptocurrency, this is their first time in any kind of investment vehicle, so most folks are not aware of these tragic plays that they do. Okay, these market makers will play with your brain here and mess with your psyche. All right, and we're seeing it right now. I mean, obviously for me, I've been here for a long time, so I know what's going on. I know what's going on. For everyone in the Hey Jon channel membership here, I tell them, you know what, don't worry about it. It's fine, you know. I mean, it may not look like it, but it will. Let's see here. Evan Bunker says, you've been telling us we're looking very bullish for the last few days. No, I haven't. And Evan Bunker, I don't know what show you're watching or what channel you're watching. For the past few days, I haven't said we're bullish here. So again, maybe you want to rewatch the videos here, because I've been saying we're bearish. The complete opposite of what you're talking about there. So make sure you do a fact check on yourself, buddy. All right. If you don't believe me, watch my previous videos. I've been saying we're bearish in a downward channel for a very, very long time. So I don't know what in the world you are saying. I don't know where you're getting it from, but boy, oh boy, are you tripping or something? Maybe you're confusing me with another BS channel here. All right. My channel's not BS. I give you only factual stuff. I don't hype up stuff. I don't say, hey, we're going to the moon if we're not going to the moon. I don't give you any kind of, you know, alien theories or any kind of conspiracy theories. I only give you facts, all right? If you don't like it, that's okay. Holy cow, though, man. Please fact check yourself, Evan Bunker, all right? If you're going to spread BS, at least make sure it's valid BS, all right? Don't make it so, I don't know, obvious. I would appreciate that, Evan Bunker. Thank you so much. So, moving on from that fake news person right there, trying to spread some FUD in the Hey Jon channel there, ridiculousness there, unnecessary, very unnecessary. So, again, this is why I believe that this could happen in possibly 8 days, all right? And of course, there's no guarantee, but as the saying goes in the stock market, history doesn't repeat itself, but it sure rhymes. So just wanted to kind of, you know, say that, right? Obviously, we're still in a bearish channel here. So overall, we are still bearish. So there's no, fighting that fact. If you're saying anything else, I don't know, man. To me, we're still very bearish here because we're still in a downward channel. But however, though, right? In 4 more days, if we continue, okay? In 4 more days, if we continue this current trend here and we stay solid here, just consolidating in this boring trading range where we're seeing 33 cents being a very, very strong support, this could potentially move us out of the downward trend, and then we can possibly go up. So when I see this has me thinking, you know what? This could be a potential setup. But as you know, nothing is guaranteed in life here, and I'm just kind of giving you some technical speculation here, okay? All right, there's no guarantees here. I do want to be upfront about it, okay? I don't want to mislead you guys and say, hey, you know what, X, Y, and Z. So this is speculation though, but I'm showing you the previous pattern and applying it to this one here to see if it could possibly work. And of course, I am still buying dips myself here. Let's see here. And of course, we can even potentially touch the bottom part of this downward channel, right? If we touch it, right, it could possibly go to, let's see here. It could possibly go to even 16.9, or you know what, I would say 17 cents, okay? We could potentially touch 17 cents on a very negative, you know, bearish news or something. And currently we're seeing tons and tons of bearish news. I thought I was doing some backlogging here and doing some back tracing. I said, you know what? This looks pretty good right now. You know what I mean? Looks pretty good, and it could it could potentially happen. So I said, you know what? Even though it's speculation, let me share this data-driven speculation here, okay? You won't hear me talking about Bigfoot or saying, oh my God, I found this code in this music playlist. No. I'm using actual data, okay? Using volume and all that kind of stuff there. All right. And the reason why I think it's very possible is because I'm still seeing money flow into Dogecoin. That is a very, very interesting fact here, okay? So let me show you another graph here to emphasize my my point here so you guys can see it. So, you know, I don't just talk the BS, I suppose. So give me a second here. Wait, where is it at? Where is my example, man? I mean, I had it earlier today, but I forgot where I did it though. That's not good. Oh my God. Let's see, is it here? Oh man, that's not good, dude. Okay. That's no good. I had an example, but then I forgot where I put it though. Let's see here. Let's see. Is it still thinking this thing here? All right, that's a bizarro. Here we go. No, okay. You know what? I don't know where I did it at because I was doing it before, and you know what? When I find it later on, I'll do it for you guys again. All right. Yeah. Sorry, guys. You know, I found it up earlier today, but then, you know, I left to do some other real life stuff here, and I can't find it now. But I will find it again though. But I don't want to spend the live stream looking for it now because obviously it's a waste of your time. But anyways, so yes. So that's kind of what I'm trying to say to you guys right now. Okay, I understand currently we are very bearish here, and we're seeing tons of news here saying, hey, you know what, we're you know, China is giving all this FUD here. Oh my God, they're gonna regulate Bitcoin and blah blah blah. But you know what I say to that? Buy the dips, man. Okay, we are currently in the capitulation phase still. All right, people still don't believe it. After that, it'll be desolation, and then it'll be a little bit of hope. All right, a little bit of hope could possibly come in 4 days when we cross through this downward trend line. Okay. So that's why I believe we are setting up. And as you know, a setup means you have to be patient, okay? A setup means it is still setting up, all right? Once it's finished setting up, that means we could possibly rock it up. And don't forget, okay? In 6 to 8 weeks, or maybe 5 to 7 weeks now, or maybe 4 to 6 weeks now, I'm not too sure exactly how long it take, but 4 to 6 weeks, all right? Coinbase will list Dogecoin. And you know, Coinbase has the institution money, okay? If you don't know what the institutional money is, well, think of this right here, okay? Elon Musk with Tesla bought Bitcoin on, guess what? Coinbase. And there were tons of institutional money in Coinbase, and they don't want to go to smaller, you know, non-legit, I guess, cryptocurrency exchanges. They want to stick with something they are, you know, aware of and something they are used to. And let me go in and Google real quick how many I want to see how many users Coinbase has. Okay, Coinbase has 56 million users. Okay, check this out here. Let's see here. Look at it here. Robinhood had 6 million crypto users in the last 2 months. Okay, so obviously they have a little more. I would say I think Robinhood has maybe like 9 million or 8 million. I forget the exact exact number, but who cares though? Okay, so let's just say Robinhood has like, say 7 to 8 million users. Okay, all right. Coinbase has 56 million users. I would say that's about like what, 7 or 8x more. All right, so when you have 7 to 8x more volume, okay, this could be a huge ding for Dogecoin. All right, so please understand, okay, this volume here can exponentially grow in 6 to 8 weeks. But as you know, I forgot when that news will release, so it's probably maybe 4 to 6 weeks now. I mean, don't quote me on that because I am going off memory, and my sense of time has been pretty off lately. So if you want to verify, please go verify that, of course. All right, I'm just giving you a rough estimation. Okay, so understand, Dogecoin, Bitcoin, whatever cryptocurrency has tons and tons of good news coming. You just need to be patient. All right. Let's see here. Zane Rodriguez says, hey John, I agree with you. I feel like the bulls and retail can't afford this dipping anymore. It'll lose a lot of trust and credibility, and so that's why I'm all in 26K Doge. Okay, that's fine. But again, though, you know, I truly believe there's the whales and the market makers, or whatever they're called here in cryptocurrency land here, just messing with retail and taking their cheap coins. Of course, I can't prove it to you, and the reason why I can't prove it to you is because I don't have access to these exchanges and to see what they do. But however, though, I've been trading stocks for a very long time, and I've seen this same sort of manipulation happen time and time again in the stock market world. So I assure you, it happens here as well, and even more here, and way worse here, because as you know, cryptocurrency is not regulated by the SEC. You know, these institutions do not have to report anything. All right. So just want to make sure I give you guys some of those bullet points right there, so you can understand why I'm rationing the way I'm rationing here. You know, I don't want you to be like, oh yeah, oh hey John said X, Y, and Z here, but you know, I do want to give you some of my thoughts here, so at least you know why I'm thinking what I'm thinking here. You know what I mean? So if it makes sense to you, great. If it doesn't, then okay then. Alrighty then. So let's see here. Okay, all right. If you ladies and gentlemen here can do me a huge favor by smashing that like button, okay? So YouTube will share this video with more people, okay? All right. I would love to grow my channel here, and I would appreciate your support just by tapping that like button, okay? I don't say it too often, but I will say it right now because lately YouTube has been acting funky. So if you could help me out, I would appreciate that. I would really appreciate the love and support. All you gotta do is just tap the like button. Nothing too crazy. All right, so let's go back into the charts here. Oh, thanks, Fortune Quest Ventures. Like, sub, and always let your ads play through. Thank you so much. As you know, that's how YouTube, you know, pays people. So I do appreciate that. I don't get very much from it, but you know what? Every little bit counts, though. And as you know, doing this kind of stuff is very time consuming. So again, I do appreciate the love and support, though. I really do, guys. Thank you so much. Alberto R says, hey John, how did you react to the first time you experienced a crash like this? I was pretty much the same thing, you know. I've always been very calm in nature. My personality is very calm. I don't really twitch too much. I don't really I don't really freak out. But of course, I was a little more like, oh man, this sucks. And I wasn't smiling and laughing. But now I can smile and laugh when I see it happen. It's not a big deal, because I know what's coming next already, so it's not a big deal for me. And that's kind of why my strategy changed over time, where I just nibble. I always nibble. I never go all in or bite anymore, due to that lesson I learned at a very young age. So you know, so I mean, that's pretty much it, really. But everyone's different. Some folks are more reactive, some are less. I tend to fall into the less reactive. I mean, yeah, I think about it. Oh, this sucks. You know, I get all the fear in my head, but my reaction is like isn't really like very dramatic, though, if that makes sense. Okay. Oh, very cool. Thanks, Stormy Cha. Wait, Stormy Cha says shared your channel in a live stream with 16K viewers. Holy cow! At Stormy Cha, what are you watching? Where do you have 16K streamers at once? What channel is this? Holy moly, that is crazy. I've never seen 16K viewers live all at the same time. That is phenomenal. Yowzas. The meme was the G's and go retrieve. Okay. All right. So let's go ahead and go deeper into the stuff now. Let's see here. All right. Let's see the 4 hour here. So as you know, daily here, we're still very, very, you know, I would say bearish because we are still in a downward channel. And the 200 MA is still increasing, right? So long term, we're still bullish though. And the most bullish thing here is that we're seeing the money flow into Dogecoin still. I understand that if you're looking at a chart here, I understand that if you are if you are looking at the chart right now, you're like, what? How is money flowing in here when all I see is red bars and coming down? Because people are buying it just as fast as they're selling it. And plus, you're seeing here on the Agora platform here, right? We're seeing a money flow indicator. I mean, obviously, they're calling it something else here, but it's the same idea. It is a very similar idea, and I'm seeing money flow in. So this is actually very, very phenomenal, even though it doesn't look that way, and I totally get it. Well, at Hong Lee here. Hey, John, thank you for your knowledge and your dedication to all this. It helps me huddle. I do want to emphasize, ladies and gentlemen, I do not give you guys financial advice or anything. I mean, I don't give anyone financial advice. I'm just sharing with you guys what I'm doing, what I see on the charts. So obviously, you can agree, disagree, you can validate, verify. I always encourage everyone to verify and validate whatever I'm saying here, right? Because as far as you know, I could just be blowing smoke here and talking that big BS. So I have no problem with that. I always say that all the time. It's for your benefit, not mine, when I said, right? If it was for my benefit, I would say, hey, you know what? Don't verify anything I say. Take what I say as a gospel and never ever question me. But I don't do that though. I don't do that though. For that very reason, I just share with all you guys here. Because the most important thing is that you guys stay safe. So on the 4 hour time frame, let's see, on the 4 hour time frame, we are currently at 41.9 and we're trading below that. So obviously that isn't very bullish, right? Obviously it's not. Let's see here. So we've been trading below the 200 MA for about a good 23 bars. So as you know, for a 200-day moving average, you have 200 sticks here, okay? And 23, or else, you know what, let's say 25 here, right? So 25, so about 12.5% currently, we've been trading below the 200 MA here. So that means that we continue this for another 3 days and 20 hours here. That means it'll be about 25%. Right, where we trade below the 200 MA. If we continue this, then yes, the bears will be in full control. However, though, we still have time to break out, and we've been testing the heck out of this 33 cent support here. Litecoin got destroyed. Well, I've been telling everyone for LTC, get the heck out of it. I've been saying it for the past like week or two. I don't know, whenever I got asked for it. Whenever I cover it, I've been saying it for a very, very long time here. But everyone's like, no, I want to be greedy, blah, blah, blah. Okay, then be greedy, no problem. It's all good. I'm not tripping here. Everyone can do whatever they want, it's a free country. I love it, man. I love it. Mr. Virus says, hey, what's good? Hey, John, we will look better next week. Potentially. Next 4 or 5 days, we'll see, right? So today's what, Saturday? So Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, maybe what, let's see, Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, maybe Thursday or Friday, we can see a possible trend change. But of course, it's pure speculation though. So as of right now, I don't know. Right. Okay, fantastic. So let's go and see what's going here. June 11, Tesla will accept Dogecoin. What? Is that true, guys? Adele So Honda 88 is saying that. Is that true? I have no idea. Can someone verify that or validate if what is Del So Honda saying Whether it's valid or not, I couldn't tell you right now because I've been busy today, so I don't know. But if someone knows, please share. You know where you got your information from. Okay, all right. I would love to hear where you got it from to see how legit it is. Let's see here. I don't think we have a date yet. Elon said big news in June, so maybe it's that. Okay. You guys are funny. I mean, just because Elon Musk says big news in June here, right? That doesn't mean anything with Dogecoin. It could mean his SpaceX. It could mean Tesla. It could mean the Cybertruck. You know, it could be a plethora of things. All right. I don't know how you guys always arrive everything into Dogecoin. I mean, yes, Elon Musk likes it, but guess what? Elon Musk isn't making money off of Dogecoin currently. I think it's more likely to revolve around his Cybertruck or Tesla sports car roadster thing, you know? I don't think it's gonna be about Dogecoin. Again, please understand, Elon Musk, yes, he likes Dogecoin. He plays with Dogecoin, but it's his toy, right? His business, his money makers, his lifeblood is Tesla, right? SpaceX, etc., etc., etc. All right. So please, you know, when I hear folks always saying that all the time, like it kind of just I don't know. It just I don't know, man. It's too much. I get it. It's fun. I think it's great. You know what? We should speculate that way, but we should also take it with a grain of salt, okay? Not yet for the 3 winners. I haven't had time yet though. So I mean, obviously I will get to it. I just have had time yet though. So Stormy Chaw, John, Crypto Banter was a channel I was in when I shared yours. There was 16K there. Whoa, Crypto Banter. What is that? I've never heard of Crypto Banter. Let me Google it real quick. I'm kind of curious. Wow, 16K viewers. That is a lot of viewers, man. Who is this person? Crypto Banter. I don't know. I see. Yeah. Okay. All right. Well, anyways, sorry guys. I just want to see real quick because I've never seen 16K live viewers before, so I was kind of curious about that. All right. Again, folks. Even though I say things about Elon Musk here, I'm not attacking him or anything. All right. I'm not attacking Elon Musk. I'm a huge Elon Musk fanboy. Don't get it twisted, okay? But I'm just saying let's be realistic, all right? Okay, so again, the 4 time from here, we're still trading down, so it's no bueno, right? And I said earlier today, we could potentially hit 16 cents or 17 cents, I'm sorry, via the daily 17 cents via the daily downward channel. So just things to watch out for. And currently with Agora, we're seeing a purple ribbon. All right, a purple reaction ribbon. So when you see purple on Agora, on Agora, this means you're gonna see price pressure to the downside. Soy sauce. Hey John, are you hosting any Zoom chats tonight? It was too fast. I was killing time in there. I didn't see it though. I mean, I don't see it here though. I mean, I don't see it. So I'm kind of curious. I truly am, yeah, it's pretty cool, but I don't see it though. Well, anywho. Nope, I've never been to Chicago. Oh, by the way, am I hosting any Zoom chats tonight? I don't know, probably not. Probably not, maybe next time. You all can chat the above number. It's very good. I just did. What? What do you mean chat? What number in chat are you guys talking about? Not too sure. Okay. No. I'm not saying 18 cents or 17 cents. I'm not saying 18 cents or 17 or 17 cents is gonna happen. I'm saying it could potentially happen. If it does, it's gonna be a flash crash and it'll get bought up as fast as it was sold off. So I don't think it's gonna be anything lasting, you know. That's my point there. Just something to watch out for. I'm just giving you guys and gals here all of the possible scenarios, right? You know, there's no guarantee of anything, but as you know, if you are a trader or investor here, it is good to know where your potential zones are and how to react when you see it. So when you see it, you have a plan in place. You've already heard Hey Jon tell you what's going on, so you know what? You know how to react when it happens. It won't be, oh my god, surprise, panicking, I can't think straight, what should I do? When you see it, oh, that's what I should do, right? That's why I say it, not to create FUD or fear, uncertainty or doubt, all right? Believe me, if I want to do that, I wouldn't do it like this, that's for sure. Yeah, you know, so I mean, again, I don't create FUD here. If I want to create FUD, this is not the way I do it, where you share all of the plays, okay? That is the wrong way to share FUD. just like when you see folks hyping up, oh my god, Elon's great news here, it's gonna be Dogecoin announced on Tesla or X, Y, and Z. These people here are the true FUD, okay? Because the reason why I say these people here, these hype people here are the worst is because they are giving you the true FUD, because they are misleading you. They are giving you false sense of hope or false sense of fear, depending on how they, you know, interpret the news here. So when someone gives you a false sense of hope, guess what that means? It makes you a bigger bag holder, all right? Because you followed this person's hyped up advice because it was so great and you heard it and it aligned with your beliefs. So look at okay. Yeah. Okay, JC is saying I'm a hyper as well. Your title is clickbait. Okay, everyone in the live stream, do you think my title is clickbait? I mean, I've explained everything already, so you know this person here, JC, must have nothing better to do on a Saturday night, because this person here is saying, oh, it's clickbait, it's BS, blah blah. But I already explained everything, so it's not my fault that you don't listen or you come in late. That's on you, buddy. If you want to see what I'm saying here, reverse backwards. It's very easy to do. You left click and you move backwards. It isn't that hard, JC. Okay. Let's see here. All right. So again, I think JC is full of you know what. Okay. But yeah. Okay, so we're still trading down here, no bueno, but you know, it's one of those things here. I can't give you the different possible scenarios here. I mean, obviously, if it hits 17 cents, you best believe I will be buying a lot of Dogecoin. Okay, I would love to see that happen, but one of those things, you know, I don't think it'll happen. But if it does happen, it'll be so fast, and I probably won't catch it. So it's one of those things, you're right. I hope it doesn't happen, but it could potentially happen. Let's go ahead and go into the 1 hour time from now and see what is going on here. Let's see, on the 1 hour here, right? We're currently on the upper range in the 1 hour. So this tells me the fact that we're just consolidating here and going into this downward channel here. If we can do this for another 4 to 5 days right here, right? That means we could potentially break out of this downtrend and then potentially break up, okay? But of course, what can happen also is that we could just stay here, right here, right? And go sideways and then break down. Obviously, I don't want that to happen, but it could potentially happen here. Hadago says, are they expecting you to live stream with a boring title instead? LMAO. Well, Hadago, apparently at Hadago, this man right here, Hadago has common sense and he has a brain. So I think JC, you should listen to Hadago. He's a very, very sharp cat. Yes, I am still in Shiba. For Shiba, I staked all my coins because I bought my Shiba on crypto.com. So I'm staking my coins and yeah, just staking it and making some interest in the meantime. Because apparently now I'm holding Shiba bags. Yay, Shiba bags. I love Shiba bags. That's okay. Everybody makes mistakes, including myself. It's all good though. It's all good though. And you know, I told you guys when I made that trade, it was a high risk, high reward trade. So now it's very risky. Let's see here. You know, for Shiba, I'm just gonna hold on to a little bit because I suspect. Okay, again, pure speculation here, pure speculation. But I suspect that whenever Bitcoin gets its act together and rockets back to 70K or 50K or whatever it was, I suspect Shiba will also follow as well. And when Shiba follows as well, guess what? This time Shiba will have fewer coins to trade, and this time I believe when Shiba rockets, the rocket will be that when Shiba rockets this time here, the next time Shiba rockets, it'll just be just that much bigger because, as you know, what's his name, Vladik, whatever his name is, you know, the kid who made a co-founder of Ethereum here, he burned 410 trillion coins or tokens, whatever it's called. So again, when Bitcoin gets its act together here, I suspect Shiba coin will rocket even harder than it did last time because of the fewer coins involved. So that's kind of why I'm buying some, and you know, I kind of don't care right now. I'm just buying some here and there, buying a dip, kind of lower my average or whatever's. So again, but again though, it's pure speculation and pure conjecture. So I want to be transparent about that, okay? It's a very high risk and a very high reward trade, you know, so I don't expect anyone to follow anything, but if someone asked me here, so now I'm explaining my rationale and the reason why I got into it. Of course, I still think it's trash, but of course, trash can make you money. For example, if you're in stocks here, right? Look at GEVO, the trashiest stock in the world, but every now and then you can make tons of money and very quick. So, you know, it's one of those things. Yeah, you know, again, I want to make sure I say this out loud. I don't give anyone financial advice here. Purely speculation on my part and my end here. So please validate. All right. I only say this is because not because I'm lazy, but because I'm trying to make sure you guys do your own due diligence. So you don't just listen to so you guys don't listen blindly to someone just on YouTube here. Okay. Me saying this is looking out for you guys, believe it or not. Right. Steven Whitfield says, I found the old video you shot and you didn't say we were bullish. You said it was a bullish trend, and then the next morning China did a second ban announcement and no one saw it coming. Exactly. Steven Whitfield, exactly. When I make these videos here, right? When I make these videos, it's valid for this point in time and maybe for the next day or two possibly. But if you see a new fundamental news that comes out and destroys everything, well, guess what? Everything is now changed and you have to roll with the punches. Okay. All right. if there is only no, if there's only one need, if there is only a need to watch a chart once, guess what? We would all be millionaires right now. But as you know, it's always going to be a time-consuming game, this trading thing we call trading. All right. So I think I've given enough TA on Dogecoin, and we know what's going to happen now. So I believe if you've been watching this whole time here, you have a better idea or a better understanding of what's going on with Dogecoin, whether it's bullish, bearish, or just flat. So you know, if you guys can do me a huge favor and subscribe, like, and share these videos here, right? I will catch you guys all next one. So make sure you guys subscribe and notify. So when I go live, you don't miss them. And of course, also follow me on Twitter. So because I will start putting out tweets when I live stream, so you guys will get notified just in case if you don't get a YouTube notification. So just creating some redundancy to make sure everyone is notified. So, all right, make sure you subscribe and notify, and I will catch you all next one. Take care and have a phenomenal weekend.